Are you in the market for a new tilting hitch for your excavator? Wanting a high quality product that's going to save you time out in the field and get your job done? Stick around for this video. We're going to have a look at our ram tilt here. We're going to go over all the features, benefits, costs, and if this is the right attachment for you. Hey guys, Lachlan here from Attached to Equipment. When it comes to tilting hitches, we're asked for a reliable product that's going to be able to put up with the hard yards you're going to put your diggers through every single day. And honestly, one of the best features to that is our ram tilt. So we have been constantly improving this product over time, ever since we got it. Now, one of the major aspects of that is actually the squat design. So that's from your pickup pin to your dipper pin, so up here. It's as short as physically possible that we can get it to. Now what this will do is this will increase the breakout force of the unit, making sure you can dig as much as possible whenever you need it. Another key factor as well, it's actually constructed from Biz 80 steel, so that's S690 hardened steel. So what that does is that also makes it lighter material, and it's going to make it stronger, which will maximize your longevity of the unit. Now, the ram tilt is tilted by two single acting displacement cylinders right here, and they give you a total tilt of 90 degrees, so that's 45 each way. Now, both of these cylinders are always holding opposing pressure, so you're never going to get any chatter points, and it's always going to help you with a smooth transition over the life of the unit. So as it gets older, gets more worn, it's still going to hold that tight, smooth transition from left to right. Now, another brilliant aspect of our ram tilts throughout the entire range is our Sure Grip coupler base. So this is fully compliant with the ISO world standards and the AS Australian standards in the safety standards. So for you and your team, this actually means that if you have a hydraulic failure, you bust a hose, whatever that may be, the hitch itself isn't going to drop or swing. It's going to stay in its rock solid neutral position, keeping it safe for everyone on site. So the Sure Grip coupler base has a multi-pickup. So what this means is you're going to be able to pick up anything within its weight range, which is great for you if you have all your attachments already. It makes it seamless. Another really good feature that we actually don't want you to miss is our internal GPS mounting plate down here. Now, it's extremely well hidden, so it'll make sure that GPS doesn't get knocked around, and it also comes to you pre-drilled. So all of your main brand GPS attachments will go straight onto that. A brilliant feature of this unit is actually the center joint. We put a lot of thought in this as well. So you have oversized bushes with induction hardened greasable pins. So what this does is maximizes the load bearing surface area of this unit. And in turn, we're getting it as low as possible as well for you. So that will in turn maximize your breakout force. Every ram tilt also comes with a certified lifting eye, and it has a safe working load stamped on that top of that unit there as well for you. So for your hose set up on a ram tilt, you can come directly straight into the ports here or go through the unit on this side here. Now, we have made some covers for your fittings as well. So not really if they get hit by debris, it's when they get hit by debris, you're covered, and we'll make sure that it doesn't damage anything there. Now also for your hitch plumbing, you'll just go straight through the middle of the unit over here. We've made a hose clamp under here, and you'll be able to go straight down to the back of the cylinder. Every single ram tilt that we have comes with our industry leading 3-year warranty. So that's 3 years on the manufacturing and any defects to the material, and also 1 year, 12 months on the hydraulics of the unit. So as good as our ram tilts are, they may not be for everyone, and we do understand that. So a couple key things you do need to consider before looking at purchasing one of our ram tilts. Do you need more than 90 degrees tilt? Do you need a slim attachment? The ram tilts are quite wide and they can only go up to 90 degrees. So if you are in that boat, you will want to look at our heli tilts, offering a slimmer design, giving you up to 180 degrees total tilt. These ram tilts, their price can actually vary from anywhere around $13,000 up to $35,000. Now this will always depend on your unit, your machine, and if you're actually requiring any modifications to the hitch as well. If you're wanting to get a quote on one of our ram tills today, go to our website, give us a call or an email. We'll be happy to help you throughout this process of finding your next best hitch.